skincare routine. Do I even have a skincare routine? I'm not sure. No, I don't. So this serves as a dark spot remover and also a face cream bleach. Like anything bleaching, I don't even do that. It keeps my body in even tone. Hello guys, so you see I have a whole lot of products to unbox here. Let me just drop them. We are going to take them one after the other. All right, so I started this product review series and it's something that I love so much because I deal with a lot of products, and since I create content for brands, also create videos for business owners, and also create my own products like what I import from China. So these are what I will be talking more of in the unboxing series. I just hope you guys love it, because the truth is that we need to talk about these products that we get, right? I need to tell you, I use most of them, so I need to tell you what to buy and what not to buy, right? Based on products I've used and how it's supposed to be, right? Because there are a lot of fake products out there. So me using it, I will know what is best for you, my family members. You know, I have to bring you guys value. I have to let you know what's up. I have to let you know what's good for you and what you should not go for. That is what this channel stands for. All right, so if you're just coming across my channel for the first time, hello, hey, my name is Rachel Nabon. I just like this video. Give this video a thumbs up so more people get to see this video. All right, so the first product I'll be talking about is a product I got for my dearest girl. This product is from Fresh Dara Hub on Instagram. Fresh Dara Hub. She's a personal shopper. What she does, she helps us that doesn't like going to the market to buy things and deliver to us no matter your location, right? So she's located in Aba. Yes, Fresh Dara Hubs. It was an emergency purchase though, but she have to do it for her baby girl, right? So I called her to get this for me, and I was seriously in need of this mom's jean. So I asked her to get it for me and she got it, right? And it came out just the exact size and way I wanted it, the color I wanted. It came out very well, and I must say I love this. Okay, so I'm going to do a haul for you to look at what this outfit is like on my body. I'm going to put that here. If you see, it is actually my waist size, but the length is a bit long, which I'm going to cut some off, right? It's a mom's jean. I needed something that is free on my body, not something that is so fitted. No, I needed something like you're saying. So how do you see it? Is this something that you would like to try? All right, so I also got a top from her. I love it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Fresh Dara Hub, for this mom's jean. I love it. I love everything about it, and delivery was swift. I love it. Okay, so let's move to the next one. So this was the picture of what I sent to her, a picture of what I needed, and it came out like this. Like, I love the fact that it's made of cotton and it's so comfy on the body. I tried it and it's a mini size. Yes, of course, I wear mini. Yeah, so like what you're seeing now, this is how it came out. It came out so nice. I love it. I love the feather at the hand. I don't know if it's called feathers also, but I so much love it. It came out exact how we ordered it. Okay, for you to know, Fresh Dara Up is one of my importation students. She did importation. I think she joined my first class in 2020, and one thing about her is that whatever you order for is what you get, and that is what my importation students are enjoying, because they know how to sort out this quality, not just looking at the picture alone. So I love this. I'm going to wear this to combo for you to see what is like, and I will show you on the screen. So would you want to patronize her? Yeah, I will drop her Instagram handle on the screen now. You can reach out to her. Also drop her WhatsApp contact on the screen. You can reach out to her. Tell her that you're from Rachel Nabon, and I'm sure she will be happy to meet my family members coming to patronize her. She's a personal shopper. She delivers nationwide. The next product I have here are my beauty products. Got this product. So there's this video that I did unboxing what I bought from China. I'm going to drop the video here for you to see. Yes, this particular video, I had sunburn. That was earlier this year. That should be around January. So I was using serum without sunscreen. Yes, I used serum without sunscreen, and I had serious sunburn here. Yeah, so I have to go look for a solution to it, and I was given this product. Yes, this is Nivea luminous anti-dark max. So this serves as a dark spot remover and also a face cream. Yes, so I use this. I was advised to use it morning and night. Yes, so I applied it into my morning and night routine, and it's really helped. If you notice my skin now, I don't really have that again, and that has really helped. So this is the product. It's something that I will recommend. Yes, I will recommend you go for. I think mine is almost finished. I've been using it for over 2 months now. Yes, I decided to use it first and see the result before coming up here to tell you guys about it. So it's a go-to product if you have dark spots, sunburn and all of that. Sunburn is something that really I've never had sunburn before. It was my first experience, and it's really dropped my confidence. I have to start working on it, but that didn't stop me from making videos. If you notice, you'll notice this in that particular video. I couldn't just hold back. But this is a go-to product. All right, so Nivea. Yes, this is the third bottle I'm using after I couldn't find Even and Radiant. If you watch my video, there's a video I made about my Nivea review, right? I was using Nivea Even and Radiant, but this was introduced I think late last year, and I started buying it, and it's a go-to product because it's really nice. It doesn't bleach like anything bleaching. I don't even do that. It keeps my body in even tone, radiance, and the glow is on a different level. Yes, I get people comment my skin and all of that. This is what I use. Is a go-to product, and I love it. But now the price is increasing, but I don't know. I'm still buying it sharp. So we move on. All right, so I also added this to my skincare routine. Do I even have a skincare routine? I'm not sure. No, I don't. But I have to add it, right? So this is a cleanser. Like I said, I always make sure I use the product before coming here to tell you. So this is a facial product. This is a facial cleanser, and I've been using it alongside. I use it morning and night before applying my black max cream. I always use this to clean my skin, remove the pores, the dirt in the pores before applying this cream on it, and it has really served. Right, it's actually my first time of using cleanser. There was a time I used it and my skin got irritated, and I have to stop using it. And now this I've used for 2 months now, and everything is perfect. Okay, the next I added was sunscreen. I've never used sunscreen before, so I decided to start with this Dr. Rachel sunscreen, and it's really helped. What caused the sunburn earlier this year, that was around January, was the fact that I wasn't using sunscreen along my serum. So that was what happened. So I have to start using this, and I noticed the difference. I noticed there's a top-notch glow on my skin now. I love it. Okay, so it's something I would recommend you go for. Let me bring it out for you to see. Remember, I've also used this before coming up to talk about it. So this is what is like Dr. Rachel sunscreen. It has 60 plus SPF, which is actually good for the skin. All right, the last I'll be talking about is this oil. So I noticed that my wigs were somehow dry, especially my curly wigs, and I needed something that can work for curly and straight hairs. So I have to go for this. They recommended this to me, and I must say it was worth buying. And the fact that it's not even expensive, I love it so much. So I use it on my hair. It's both for straight hair and for curly hair. I've never been a fan of applying anything cream to hair for the past, I think, from my uni days, from 2018, 2017. I've never used anything oil on my skin, but I have to try this and it works for me. It makes my hair shiny and very fine, right? So these are products that I will even advise you go for. Is a go-to product anytime and any day. So which of these products have you tried? Have you tried any of these products? Just let me know. What was your experience like? Just let me know in the comments. No, these are product review. Give us your own review about this product and this clothes I bought. Give us your own review. Have you purchased from Preshidera before? Have you used any of these products I mentioned? Just let me know in the comments. Just let me know. Okay, I have to stop this video here until I come your way again. I'm Rachel Nabon. Bye.